I'm very disturbed the way our deputy president has been behaving, because the deputy president is principal assistant of the president. But always when the president goes out of the country, the guy recedes back to Murima, and then he starts asking Mr. President so many questions instead of running the country when the president is away. He's never available in Nairobi, except he's only available in his village, trying to ask Mr. President questions. And that, Mr. Speaker, has really annoyed some of us. Mr. Speaker, when there were floods, this deputy president, Mr. Speaker, was assigned by the president that he's supposed to take care of the disaster that was there at that time. The man never moved from his home yard to other areas. He was never in Nyando, he was never in Budanangi, he was nowhere, and all the food he directed to his backyard. Mr. Speaker, I want to be very brief. Yes, Mr. Speaker, this deputy president.
Order, Wanjala, there's a point of order. Yes, Muya.
Honorable Speaker, is the member in order to say the deputy president has never moved out of his backyard, while it is on record and on public domain that he has been in Kisumu, in Busia, in Mombasa, in all parts of the country?
Mr. Speaker, the deputy president will only be seen in those places when he's accompanying the president. But he has never come on his own to see the destruction of floods. Mr. Speaker, these people of EACC did a service to this country. Because for you to be elected, you must go through EACC. Mr. Speaker, this deputy president was a DO. And Mr. Speaker, he was a DO, and as a DO, he was sacked on 30th July 1997 as a DO. And the reason why he was sacked, and I will table this later, that the EACC did not do its work and it cleared him to be a member of parliament and to be a deputy president, yet he was not supposed to be because of his misconduct. Mr. Speaker, this letter is read as Mr. Geoffrey regarding Gachagua, District Officer 1, Laikipia, through Provincial Commissioner, summarily dismissal. Reference is made to our letter dated 19th May 1989 on your appointment to the position of District Officer. I and your response statements to show cause for gross misconduct, desertion of duty, and reported mismanagement of relief food for Laikipia District. Mr. Chief, in this regard, we wish to notify you that your employment contract has been terminated forthwith. Consequently, you are required to report to the Rift Valley Provincial Commissioner for handover and clearance. This was signed by Queen Dua. Mr. Speaker, this was a wrong man to be in this office in the first place. This one, for Kenya to grow, Gachagua must go. To stop tribalism, Gachagua must go. For Kenya to unite, Gachagua must go. I tabled the letter and I support the motion.
Kagusha.
Honorable Speaker,
Honorable Kagusha.
Honorable Speaker, Honorable Raphael Wanjala has produced a photocopy of a document that we cannot get its authenticity. Honorable Speaker.